Now, good morning to all of you. We are going to start our new topic in a Standard 9 Mathematics. We have completed first question of exercise 1.2. Now, how to represent root 2 on the number line. Now, first we will revise Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, that is, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is right angle. If we have measure of two sides is given, then we can find the measure of third side. That is how, and which is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Square of hypotenuse is the sum of square of other two sides. That is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC is equal to 5. AB is 4. The 4 square plus BC we have to find. 5 square 25. 4 square 16 plus BC square. 25 taking 16 left hand side, so it becomes minus is equal to BC square. Therefore 25 minus 16, 9 equal to BC square. Now 9 is the square of 3 is equal to BC square, and taking square root on both sides, therefore BC equal to square root of 3 square, that is 3. So Pythagoras theorem is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. We use this theorem to represent root 2 on number line. Locate root 2 on number line. So how to represent root 2 on number line? So first of all we draw a number line we take point O which corresponds to 0. Now here we are taking 4 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 4 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now at this point we make a right angle. Now here say this point is A, OA equal to 1 unit and OA equal to 4 centimeter. OA equal to 4 centimeter. And here we draw a right angle by using protractor. Okay, so we draw a number line, take point O which corresponds to 0. Then we draw OA equal to 4 centimeter. OA equal to 4 centimeter. And this 4 centimeter equal to 1 unit. And then we draw a right angle by using protractor. Right? Now this OA equal to 4 centimeter. This distance OA equal to 4 centimeter. Again we take a 4 centimeter distance and draw the arc. on this ray, right? And say this point is B. So this is also 1 unit. Now joining O and B. Joining O and B. Now our question, what is the length of OB? So we can find length OB by using Pythagoras theorem. That is, here in triangle OAB, angle A is right angle, OB is the hypotenuse. So OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. It is the Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is the sum of square of other two sides. So OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Now here OA we are taking 1 unit, like 1 square. AB is also 1. So 1 square. So 1 square 1. 1 square 1. 1 plus 1 2. Therefore OB square equal to 2, and so taking square root on both sides. So if we are taking square root of OB square, so square will cancel. So OB equal to root 2, and so here this length OB equal to root 2. But this length we have to represent on number line. So how we can represent on number line? Taking the length of root 2, this is the length of root 2, and take this as a radius and O as a center, and so it draw a arc. So this point, say it is C, and it is the corresponds to root 2. So here in this way we represent root 2 on number line. So what we have done? We have used the Pythagoras theorem. Take OA is 1 unit, that is 4 centimeter. AB is also 4 centimeter, that is 1 unit. Draw a right angle here. So we have the hypotenuse OB equal to root 2, and take this length. So here this length OB is root 2, and take this point as center and draw the arc on number line. So here this point is the root 2 we have represented on a number line.